What surprising genetic code connections exist in nature? Imagine a secret language that connects all living things, from tiny bacteria to humans. That language is called the genetic code, and it's the blueprint that tells cells how to build life. It's astonishing how this code is almost the same across so many different creatures. Despite millions of years of evolution, most organisms use the same basic rules to turn DNA into proteins. That's because the genetic code is incredibly efficient and stable. It involves for building blocks called nucleotides, adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine, that are arranged in specific sequences. These sequences tell cells which amino acids to use, and amino acids are the tiny parts that make up proteins. Proteins do everything in our bodies, from building muscles to fighting off infections. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Some parts of the genetic code aren't exactly the same in all organisms. For example, mitochondria, which are tiny structures inside cells that produce energy, have their own version of the genetic code. They use a slightly different set of rules to make proteins. This variation shows how adaptable the genetic code is. It can change over time to fit the needs of different life forms. Scientists believe that the genetic code evolved in stages, starting with simple amino acids and gradually adding more complex ones. This evolution helped life diversify into the incredible variety we see today. Understanding these connections helps us see how life is linked across species. For example, humans share about 98.8% of their DNA with chimpanzees. That means we have a very close common ancestor, even if we look and act very differently. This shared genetic code is a sign of how all life on Earth is connected through a common history. It also explains why studying the genetic code is so important for family genetic testing. By analyzing DNA, we can learn about inherited traits and health risks, helping families make smarter health choices. So, the next time you think about what makes life special, remember that a simple code runs through everything. It's a code that unites us with plants, animals, and even tiny microbes. The genetic code is truly the blueprint of life, revealing surprising connections that tie all living things into one big family.